hey, look at this. This is an Android phone, and I turn it into a radio by putting an antenna on it. Now, you don't need an antenna. You can actually put some earbuds in there, and the wire will act as an antenna. And basically, you got an FM radio. Most Android phones actually have an FM radio chip that's built in. And I don't mean streaming. This is actually picking up live radio off the airwaves and everything. So there you go, right there. Look at this. I got this for a few bucks off of Amazon to actually have it kind of look like a real antenna. I thought that'd be kind of cool. And you can hear. I'm not playing anything because of copyright purposes, but it will play radio. As always, rock and roll, of course, of this compete. Like some of the music content, you know what you need to do. Subscribe and of course, compete that. Yeah. So you just do it. It's like that.